Hi guys, in this example we are going to learn how to send data using indent object. So create a new project. It's an Android application project and I name it as send data. I name it as send data demo. Change the package name. Click next. Again click next. Create a blank activity. Click next. Here you need to specify the activity name. I name it as first activity. Make sure that the activity name is a class name, so start with a capital letter. First activity. Change the layout name. I change the layout as first layout and click finish. Okay, now the new project is created. Okay, now the project is created and go to the layout file. By default there is a text view present on the layout. I just delete the text view. Now I am going to add a text field to the layout. Just drag a text field into the layout, and also we need a button here, so I just drag a button here. Now go to the XML, change the ID of the text view as edit text as MSG. MSG is an identifier for the edit text. Now change the ID of the button. I change it as BN. Now change the text of button. I change it as send data. Send data. Okay. Now save it. Okay, now I save it again. Now we are going to create another activity here. So first we need to create the Java file. So create a new Java class file here and name it as second activity. I name it as second activity and click finish. Now the new Java class is created here. Now we need to create the layout. So go to the layout folder and right click that folder and choose the new option, and from the other option choose Android and choose Android XML layout file. Click next and name the file as second layout and click finish. Okay, now the new layout is created. Now I just add a button here, button on the new layout. It is not possible to change because it is in linear layout. We just going to change it into relative layout. Okay, now again save it. Now we can arrange the button. Now change the text of the button. I change it as show data. Now we want to create an action listener for the button. So here I am going to create an onClick method. Android onClick is equal to I name it as show message. Show message is the method corresponding to this button. Again save it. Now go to the second activity.java file, extend that class with activity. We need to import activity class here. Now the override method on create Okay, now connect this layout. So second, set content view r dot layout dot second layout. Now save it again, and here we need to create that method public void show message. Don't forget to add that argument for this method called the argument of view class view v. You need to import view object here, view class here, import view. Okay, now go to the Android manifest XML file and add a new activity tag for the newly generated activity. I just copy this activity tag and paste it again. Change the activity name. I change the activity name as class name for the second activity dot second activity dot second activity. Okay, now need to change the indent filter name. You need to change the indent filter name. I change it as second filter. I change it as second filter. Okay, and here you need to change the category into default category. Okay, now again save it, again save the project. Now go to the first activity.java file and create an object of button here. I name it as button. You need to import button class here. Now create onClick listener for the button. First connect button is equal to find view by id. r.id.bn. You need to cast it into button. Here the ID of the button is bn. Okay, fine. Now you need to cast it into button because it's an object. Okay, now save it again. Now create the action listener bn button.set onClick listener. New view.onClick listener. You need to import some packages here. So just press Ctrl Shift O to import all the needed packages. Here you need to specify a semicolon. Okay. Now so whenever user click the button, we first need to we need an object of edit text also. So create an object of edit text. So txt is equal to find view by id. You need to import edit text. Okay, txt is equal to find view by id. r dot id dot that identifier name is msg. Cast it into edit text. Again save the project. So first, for getting the string from the edit text, I create a string variable here and get the value of that edit text. txt.getText is convert into string to string. Okay. Now I create an object of indent class. Indent I is equal to new indent. I give it a second filter. You need to import the indent class here. Import indent class. Now for sending data, we need an object of bundle class. Bundle is equal to new bundle. Now we need to add that data into the bundle object. So bundle dot put string. First we need to provide a key and value, and here I set a key as send data and provide a value here. The value is that string called the message. Okay, save it again. Now I add this bundle into the indent object using putExtras method. I dot putExtras add the bundle object. Here bundle object is bundle. Bundle object is bundle, and save it again. Now we can start the second activity. Start activity using that indent object I. Okay, again save the project. Okay, now we can run the project. So before we need to do something, go to the second layout. Here we just place a button here and go to the on click method for the button, and on that we again create that bundle object, bundle object using getIndent.getExtras method. getIndent.getExtras. Okay, now we want to get that string back, so create a string variable here. String message is equal to bundle dot get string and provide the same key. That key is send data. We can just check it out. Go to the first activity. Okay, here that key is send data. So we need to provide it in double quotes. Okay, now I just print that message using a toast, using the main text method. Get the base context and provide the message here. Message is equal to plus message. Okay, provide a duration for the toast dot, make it as long, and now make the toast visible using show method. Okay, now we done all the coding for this program. Now we can run the project. So right click the project and choose run as Android application. Open your emulator open your AVD. Okay, now the project is launched, and I just provide a message here, hello world. I provide a message on the text view and click the button. Okay, complete action using this is because for the previous example we also provide the same indent filter name. So I choose the second data and just once. Now the second activity is open up, and now click them and the toast will appear. Okay, now we can solve the problem by just changing the indent filter name. So here we want to change the indent filter name. So here is the indent filter name is second filter. I just changed the indent filter name as my filter. Okay, I save it again. Now change it on the manifest file also. So go to the Android manifest file and change it there also. Okay, now save it again run the project. Now I hope the problem is solved now. Now again run the project. Okay, just I provide a message here. Provide us welcome all, and click the button, send data. Now the problem is solved. Directly we got the second activity and click that button, that message will appear. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.